Lanete, awkward shot. Rebound for Leather. Critical juncture here for Purefoods. Talk and text threatening to bust out. Here's Yancy De Ocampo outside Leather. Leather fires over Salvador. And he can't get the bounce. It's last touch on Purefoods.
Two white shirts battling for the ball that time. Both PJ Simon and Chico Lanete ang nagagawa nito. So with the better defense and a taller lineup, itong Talk and Text is dictating the tempo of this game at this point. Even having the luxury of shooting from outside dahil talagang minamaliit nila. Ang maliit talaga na lineup ng Purefoods.
Lineup of Purefoods on the floor. Villanueva, Roger Yap, Jondan Salvador, Kirby Raimundo, and Chico Lanete. And Terrence Leather disrupting that play. The ball will stay with Purefoods.
Well, si Coach Ryan Gregorio nag-iisip-isip na dito as Coach Tot Reyes pulled out Macmac Cardona. But another steal. Simpleng-simpleng agaw ni Terrence Leather doon.
Here's Jack Chia. 4-3. Yes, sir!
Nakakahawa talaga ang outside shooting nila. That would be the fifth three-pointer of Talk and Text. At sila ngayon, may 12-point lead.
TM3 para kay George Christian Chia. And the phone pals are on a roll here in the second quarter. Now up by 12 big points.
Been wishing to be like your favorite basketball stars?
Been looking for that chance to show your basketball skills?
Then now is the time to reach your basketball dream.
Watch out for the tryouts ng bayan.
Drop by and show your skills to the coaching staff of champion coach Norman Platt.
Sugod na sa tryouts ng bayan. July 18 sa San Andres Gym, Manila. July 19 sa Barangay San Dionisio Covered Court, Parañaque. At July 20 sa Barangay Bagong Buhay Covered Court, Quezon City.
It's your time to shine. It's your time to rock the rim. It's your chance to be the first, my MVP.
For more info, tumawag sa 890-3989 o mag-text sa 0922-823-5409 o kaya mag-email sa mymvp2008@yahoo.com. Join now!
Well, itong ating labanan para sa most valuable player at the end of the eliminations. Nangunguna po sa statistical points, Kelly Williams, sumusunod Arwin Santos, Willie Miller, the reigning MVP, JJ Halterbrand, and Kirby Raimundo. At kahit kapareho ng ating team standings, dikit-dikit din po ang puntos ng ating mga contenders. That's of course Kirby Raimundo na isa sa mga contenders coming from the Purefoods lineup.
Here's Raimundo against Leather. Raimundo spins, nowhere to go. Villanueva against a triple team. Spins out of trouble. There's a shot by Jondan Salvador and Leather gets the rebound. At sila ng Enrico Villanueva ang hindi magkasundo.
Well, that was uncalled for. Ito si Terrence Leather already controlled the ball at papasa na lang niya sa kanyang point guard. Hindi, pinatingin pa rin niya talaga kay Rico Villanueva na panay ang bakbakan nila sa ilalim. He will control the rebound here. At yung pag-challenge ni Rico, hindi niya nagustuhan. Tumabi ka nga dyan. Pero sa kaliwa niya, dito na si Jake Chia. Coach Ryan on his part, gusto niyang ibalik yung aggressiveness nila inside the very same way they started the ball game. So ito si Raimundo, Salvador at si Rico, talagang kina-crowd niya sa loob. Para yung mga options sa kanila na talaga ibigay. Without the outside shooter, even Ray Evangelista, lahat yan expected sa loob atake.
Okay, alamin natin kung bakit ba limited minutes lang itong si Reda Ralimes. A foul is called on Jack Chia. Let's go to Magu.
Miko Rado, according to team manager Alvin Patrimonio, meron daw left groin injury. Etong si Reda Ralimi, kaya nga limitado kanyang minuto. Titignan natin hanggang matapos ng first half all the way to the second kung makakabalik pa siya.
So that is bad news para sa Pure Foods.
Well, actually, him not starting was actually a blessing in disguise sa kupunan ng Pure Foods. Pero sa mga ngayon kinakailangan ng kanyang rebounding and inside presence, mukhang ngayon nila namimiss itong si Reda Ralimi.
So last touch on Talk and Text, that will leave the Pure Foods rather with 6 on the shot clock. Here's James Yap, fires. And Roger Yap with a lucky break.
Even if their point guard nakikisama na rin sa kanilang agawan dun sa ilalim, and that's a good point and in line with their strategy in this quarter.
Still a 10-point game para sa Talk and Text. Here's Washington making room inside, and he will take 2.
Laban ng pasalubong gusto niya, hindi namin kayo susukuan. Especially now that Talk and Text is realizing that there's really an injury in Reda Ralimi. Aatake at aatake na itong mga ito. So konting pahinga lang kay Terence Leder, ibabalik na rin ito ni Coach Chot Reyes. Relatively a low scoring second quarter nating nakikita rito. Ang kupunan ng Pure Foods ay nakakascore lamang dito ng 6 na puntos. Samantalang yung Talk and Text naman ay nakakascore lang ng halos 11.
Looks like Coach Ryan Gregorio will be warned here. Montiel making his way to the official stable. Okay, check that. It wasn't a warning. It's a technical foul on Pure Foods head coach Ryan Gregorio.
So naririnig din natin yung reaction ni Coach Ryan doon. Sabi niya, pareho lang kami sumisigaw ni Coach Chot.
Which is actually true.
So pasok yung technical free throw na humarang pa sa gitna yung free throw dahil naka-free throw natin si Washington.
Well, I can understand perfectly why both coaches are going bananas now because so much is at stake. You lose tonight, and that's it, pansit. Wala na.
Oo, at bakasyon na, ika nga. At hindi pa naman magandang magbakasyon ngayon dahil tagulan.
Points ang lamang ng Talk and Text. Make that a 14-point lead.
And the momentum definitely with the phone pals here wreaking havoc both on all ends of the court, inside game, outside game. Their defense are being great. So ang Talk and Text wala nang mahingin dito, but this is only the second quarter.